How to create a file upload element with UNOY. Select your page node, press Add New Element and choose File Upload. You can rename the file upload element by double-clicking on its name. You can change the name of the upload button. By default, all file extensions are allowed. If you want to allow only certain file extensions, just type them in the File Extensions field. Press Optional to make the upload optional, otherwise it will be mandatory. Press Caption to add a caption. Press Description to add a description. If you want to allow multiple selections, press Multiple Selections. And visible in result data is preset. And this means that the data your users are putting into this element will later be visible in your module's dashboard. Let's save. And press Preview to have a look at the element we created. Here you can see the upload field with the caption and the description. All file endings are allowed. Press Upload. And the upload worked. Let's have a look at the Advanced section. Press Advanced to open a drop-down menu. You can change the responsiveness. You can add a style by using a class tag in CSS. Change the size of the element. Add a comment. Or create an active if. Press Create a condition. Add a condition. Choose system variable or reference a user's input. Select an operator. Type in a value, or select system variables or reference a user's input. So that's it for the file upload field. Thank you.